Hello guys, I am back with another mind-blowing tutorial on brown Moody effect on Adobe Lightroom. I promise it will shock you. If you like the video, don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. So, let's get started. First import your image. I had already imported my image. If you want to download this image, as always the link is in description. Now, go to the light section, set exposure to -0.30. Set contrast to 82. Set highlights to -100. Set shadows to 100. Set whites to -44. Set blacks to -62. Now go to mix section in grading. Set hue to -36. Select orange color. Set luminance to 22. Then select yellow color. Set hue to -92. Set saturation to 20. Set luminance to -22. Then select green color. Set hue to -64. Set saturation to -52. Set luminance to -36. Now select light blue, set hue to -56. Now select blue color. Set hue to 46. Now select violet color. Set hue to 34. Select pink color. Set hue to 74. Now the part of the grading section is done. Now go to effect section. Set vignette to -40. Set midpoint to 34. Set feather to 68. Set roundness to -36. And lastly go to the details section. Set color noise reduction to 100. Set detail and smoothness to 100. Finally our work is done. This is the brown Moody effect. Now check the before-after difference. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.